So we're live also on our Facebook page. So patingin na lang. Para makita natin mga questions. May 11 na nanonood. Pinakamarami na natin yan, stream. Okay. Start na tayo. First of all, sino kinakabahan na for tomorrow? And sino excited? Relax lang. Nararamdaman ko yung kaba. And this is a beginner-friendly race. So we will try everything para mag-enjoy kayo tomorrow. Okay, so I'm Carlos. I'm the founder of SwimBikeRun.ph. And thank you. We are expecting close to 900 participants tomorrow. This is the second biggest aquathlon in the history of the Philippines. First was Thailand, way back in 2023, after the pandemic. That was 920. We tried to beat it, pero hindi na umabot. But that's okay, this is still a good number, and we're very thankful. Statistics, there's at least 80% first-timers. Who are the first-timers here? Ayun, that says it all. So, ilan lang yung nandito, imagine everyone who joined. They are all first-timers, haven't tried multisport yet, and galing sa running community. So, yun yung we're very thankful for you guys for choosing Aquaman Aquathlon as your first multisport race. Start na tayo. So, I'm just gonna do a quick run-through of the entire athlete guide. It's available also on our website. And yung race course, except for the transition na binago namin now, I will discuss also, it's exactly the same. So, if you want to have a preview of the race course, you may watch it on our YouTube channel. Okay? So, this is me. Hindi ko na babasahin yan. Welcome everybody. We'll do this as quick as possible so you can have an early dinner and have a relaxing sleep. Okay, next. And so this is the Aquaman Aquathlon. This is the first leg of the Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2026 presented by Vitargo. Vitargo is going to be our on-course nutrition. So if you haven't tried it yet, there's Vitargo outside. They're going to be our electrolyte supplier for tomorrow.